Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights, and welcome to this week's Monday Minute. In this video, I'm going to show you what a caution alert is within the XactXpert drawer. Here, on the top right side of the screen, within the drawer, there's a legend. This is a terminology key. You can see there are three types of alerts, cautions being on the bottom. Cautions are yellow. Cautions are designed to be suggestions, reminders. They notify the user of potential issues, but no action needs to be taken to resolve the issue or address it. There's only one way to resolve a caution, and that's to follow the guidance within the drawer. There is no bypass option. Remember, cautions do not have to be resolved before you complete your scope or print it out. Bear in mind, this is live estimating guidance. The types and amounts of alerts that you are given are entirely dependent on your scope and react to your scope how you write it. This gives you flexibility in how you handle the live estimating guidance within the XactXpert drawer. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.